Morning guys, we're here at the dealership. Britt from American Adventure Lab is here. Right up there with his new 392 Rubicon Wrangler.
Hey guys, Brett Mansell here at the American Adventure Lab, and we're here in LaPorte, Indiana. We just picked up a brand new Gobi 392 Wrangler. So this thing has been the dreams of mine for years and years. So what we're going to do now is transform this from a stock Wrangler to a really capable overland vehicle, probably in about an hour and a half. So we've shipped over some parts. Actually didn't ship them, we checked them at the airport, which apparently we set some type of record at baggage claim. But we have all the drawers, all the boxes, cargo shelf, fridge. We had a fridge shipped in. So yeah, in about an hour and a half, we're going to turn this thing into something special. So let's get started. Alright, so if you guys are watching, what we just put together were two 6-inch drawers and a 4-inch drawer. We also have what we call a flip and slide going in over here on the left-hand side. But for now, we got these pieces done, so we're going to go ahead and install our platform in the bottom and then bolt our drawers in. Alright, so it's time to install our secret sauce here. So this piece we call a HD M.A.S.S connector. And if you notice, it's plastic on the top and steel on the bottom. So this is a 3/16 plate tap for an M.A.S.S bolt in the center. So the way it works is you install all this from the top of the platform, and once you tighten the two side bolts, it clamps everything together. So this shape, the dog bone shape that you see in the platform, is the same shape on the bottom of the plastic pad. So once those bolts are tight, then your connector is locked into place. It locks on the inside of that cutout. Then once you tighten these two down, you have access to the M6 threads in the center. So think of it as like a big nut that gets installed that is not going to wear your platform and not going to wear your drawers or whatever you're attaching to the top. So this is it.
So what piece is this?
This is the drawer face for one of the 6-inch drawers.
Awesome.
So we have a nice coat of triple bronze metallic with a gloss clear on top of it. So it's a pretty cool color.
Very cool.
Go ahead, brother.
Okay, so that wraps up our install. What we did, we started with our M.A.S.S cargo shelf on top. So that thing's adjustable height, so you can really suck it down to the top of your fridge, top of your drawers, whatever you have in there. Then we also installed our flip and slide. So what this is a 2-stage slide. Slides out once to hold the fridge on top, and the second time gives you your prep surface and then your cook surface to put your stove on, and we have a windscreen that's an option as well. On the right-hand side, on the top, we have a 4-inch drawer. Below that, a 6-inch drawer and another 6-inch drawer. So the way we have our drawer module set up, this gives you flexibility to stack and sort of match the height of your fridge or match the height of whatever boxes you might have on that side. And all the while, we give you the modularity to let your system sort of evolve as your needs change. So there you go, not too bad of an install. Probably took about 3 hours by myself. With 2 people, it goes a lot quicker. So in the span of 3 hours, you can transform your really stock Wrangler to an overland capable vehicle with no sweat.